Okay, guys, this is Noktula Pembe, your Premier Financial Advisor from Metropolitan. I am live at the Equitable Podcast.
Hello, Sanibonani. This is your host, Usipiwe Maduma, also known as Umongameli, where you ufuza on all social platforms. Welcome to the Equitable Podcast. We are on episode 2. Siyabonga kuwo wonke umuntu olayikile, subscriber, and who keeps on sharing our reels, our vlogs, and all of our stuff. Siyabonga kakhulu. Ingakhohlwa-ke, like, subscribe, and follow. Today we have a special guest, uNokuthula Bhembe, a premier financial advisor. Chaza ukuthini-ke lokho? Uthwembu kwezenkece, uthwembu. Imali zenu ningazithemba naye ningazithemba ngoba nami ngenzani ngiyamthemba. Sawubona Nokuthula.
Njani Simphiwe?
Ngiyaphila kunjani nami?
Hayi, ngiyaphila na.
Right.
Ngi-right wena?
Hayi nami ngi-right. Awungitshele-ke yini i-premier financial advisor?
Premier Financial Advisor is someone who on a better experience in the finance industry. Yeah, singasho ukuthi it's someone oku higher level nyana on the finance industry.
On the finance industry. So tell me, as a premier financial advisor, ama-portfolios or investment portfolios wabantu abafuna ukufaka imali owahandlishayo maximum amount mhlawumbe obani 2 million 1.5 400,000.
No, it's not a lot. It's not a lot. Singasho maybe a term in a year or
Maybe let's say for a long term umuntu makuthiwa investor ufuna ukuza kuwe maximum amount can be what 2 million 1.5 mhlawumbe ufuna uku-investor 10 15 or 20 years.
or mafuna invest a lump sum. It's from 30,000
30,000 then the maximum
up until it's up to you. You can
so
put 100
which means
million.
when you can handle 5 million. Kanjani?
Yes, I can.
Yeah?
Yes, yeah, invested.
No, hayi actually uthi kodwa-ke ngiyakthemba yabona. So tshela mina uthi wena i-premier financial advisor umuntu owazi kabanzi ngithi ngezeyimali.
Yes, ngasho because it's from trainee financial advisor, financial advisor, senior, premier. Then there's more period.
Okay, qhubeka phambili.
Yeah, till then there's executive after a premier. Then there's also elite igcina lapho. So yeah.
So when how many years did it take you to reach a stage as a premier financial advisor?
It took me 1 year.
1 year. Oh, Nokuthula, why not taking nepotism now?
It took me a while. It depends what to buy.
So are you telling me that in order for you to be from an intern or a primary financial advisor to a premier, is it about the type of portfolios you are handling or the number of times you have?
It's between the numbers.
Between the numbers. So what's the initial amount? Okay, I think you said it's 200, right?
30,000.
30,000.
More investor a lump
A
sum.
lump sum.
Then more investor monthly. It's 300.
300. So tell me, Shuti, anybody can invest, whether employed or unemployed.
No, not everyone can. Actually, yeah, not everyone can because I usually deduct from either your salary or your debit. So if we don't get any money, you invest, it lapses.
Okay.
Yeah, so it doesn't generate interest. Yeah.
So let's say I'm sebenzi,
Yeah.
but I've got a business engaregistrwanga, and then imali showcasing ngizoba nayo,
Yeah.
but angina bank account. Ngiyakhona ukuzidepositela le mali mina or vele ufuna i-bank account nizoyideduct?
Yeah, you can deposit the money. But then initially when you register, sizofuna ama banking details. But then masoyo badala investment yakho monthly, we can give you an account number. Blawuzofaka khona the mali, then the policy number as your reference.
So which means as much as ngingasebenzi, it's a must ukuthi ube ne-bank account.
Yeah, you have
because
to.
Just in case the investment yakhe mature, they know exactly
imali yongenaphi. Exactly.
Kanti manje sithi angina bank account so uyilanda ngesaka shoot angekho.
Ayilandeki ngesaka.
No, ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah.
So tell me now, what products do you have eniwa-offerishayo for ama-investments?
We have, angisho the lump sum, we have retirement, we have annuities, which is the lump sum vela. We call them annuities. Yes. Then we have saving plans, ila ufaka khona monthly. Then we have retirement plans. Then we also have educational plans.
Educational plan. Okay, let's start on that one. Your educational plan. How does it work?
Educational plan, we take kids from 6 to 15. So babagela imali each and every month. Izala annually. Then imali puma at the age of 18.
18 years.
Yeah, ngisho abantwana baqeda isikole bana 18. So we pay the money direct to you.
Comes back to me.
Yeah, we don't pay the school because we don't know ukuthi umntwana whether uzosiqeda isikolo or uzoqhubeka afunde or what. So we pay it back to you. But then if when you pass away, kuba this benefit ukuthi when you pass away, iyaqhubeka educational, it generates
Interest.
yes. Each and every, but then the money is gonna come out umntwana masana 18.
Masana 18. So
Yes.
masekana 18, does it matter ukuthi usesekhona esikolweni or akasekho esikolweni?
No, it doesn't matter, but
Doesn't matter.
it's up to that person ukuthi uzoqhubeka esikoleni, but initially melazi ukuthi umzali wakhe bekamsavele for school.
For school. Okay, so which means makaba na 18 noma ka grade 11 imali yakhe iyaphuma.
No, then you have to come with your metric thing ukuthi you finished school.
Okay, so shuthi he or she can only get the money upon completing matric.
Exactly.
Okay, I understand that. So that's the educational plan, right?
Yes.
So asikhulume nge-retirement. I-retirement, can I do i-retirement plan ngingasebenzi but ngi-afforda ukwenza ama-monthly deposit, or i-retirement plan yenzelwe abantu abasebenzayo kuphela?
No, ayenzelanga abantu abasebenzayo kuphela, but usually it's for everyone. I think you're saving up until you old. Because when you retire in whatever you're doing, you have money. Yeah.
So tell me now, what's the minimum retirement age?
It's 55.
55.
Yeah, you can have access to your money at the age of 55.
So which means if I start investing now at my current age, I can only have access to that money at age 55.
Yes. But then your retirement, they sure they tax you.
By tax after immaturity. And then it has to be taxed first.
Yeah, before it comes to you.
Before it comes to me. But if we access it's at 55, but upon accessing it, SARS
you can, and there's 2 ports. So you can access your money.
So does that mean even if I'm unemployed but in that retirement plan, I can still have access to 2 ports through your department?
Yeah, you can claim it 2 port, but it 2 port it requires a personal number where you're working. Here, asikaze senze umuntu ongasebenzi. Angazi 2 ports, no. But then abasebenzayo babafuna those things, annual gross, claim 2 ports.
So,
but it's
what I wanna ask is, I need to put ngingayithatha because I am employed by company A, ne?
Yeah.
So umuntu ozithathele i-retirement as an individual, not as a company, naye lento ye-2 port yenzeka kuye?
Yeah, I think so, because you can claim it 2 port from your retirement. And usually it's 2 ports, you're claiming money from your retirement to avoid lento ukuthi you must have access to your money when you're older. What if you don't reach that
age?
Yeah, so it's giving my clients a chance to have their retirement money. Some of it's just 30% of that money, then they tax it, then you total the remaining amount.
Okay, understood. Now. So we spoke of educational plan, spoke of retirement, right?
Yes.
So you said what it's called? Hospital plan.
A hospital plan.
So you know, how does it work?
The hospital plan, it's money you get when you're hospitalized. It's not a medical aid. It does. Yeah. No, it doesn't pay for your bills or special. It's money you get when you're at the hospital. Depends on the premium you pay, but it's money up to 3,000.
Maximum 3. Yeah,
when a day at the hospital.
A day. So in order for me to have access to that premium 3,000 per day, how much monthly can you pay?
We do a quotation depending on your age,
So the higher
the
the age, the higher
level,
the risk.
and the level of education.
Aye.
Yeah, that's how we do quotations.
Manje umuntu one-degree ubhadala less kunone-higher certificate.
Unfortunately, yes.
Why?
I think they take you as a risk.
Risk. So I'm at a higher risk of being hospitalized if I'm less educated.
That's how the
Is that
system
what
works.
you're saying?
That's how that system works.
So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Maybe maybe you can take care of yourself enough. Oh,
Niyazwa ngehlapha ekhaya muna ki-degree nami
exactly.
ngenza sure ngi-enroll i-degree muna ki-degree nami ngiyafuna i-degree ngizokhona ukubhadala 5 rand i-premium
Hayi.
ngizothola 3000 a day. Azange ungitshele the amount, or you said nenza
We do our quotations
Yeah.
based on the age kakhulu. Ukuthi sona ngakhi abantu abadala ama-risk ngisho, you know
Yeah, I
that.
know.
Yeah, so
Due to chronics and so forth, yabo.
yeah, kuba nama-questions anjalo ukuthi what diseases you have, do you smoke, yabo? So i-premium ideterminwa yiloko.
Fithi kahle your lifestyle,
Ine-impact.
your education, it plays a major impact on the amount you're gonna pay for premium.
Yeah.
Okay, so we said retirement, we said educational, we said like you said, it's not medical.
It's not
It's
medical
money you
aid.
get when you
You
are
are
hospitalized.
Yes, then there's a
So
cash bonus
I wanted to ask something. Sorry to disturb.
benefit.
You said 3,000 per day for how many days?
Depends on the days you are
So which
hospitalized.
means if I'm in ICU for 2 months, you pay
No, up until a month.
until next month.
Yes.
Okay, then you were saying
Yeah, there's this benefit go hospital plan, which is cash bonus plan. Which when you're not hospitalized for 5 years, you get 10,000.
okay, is it?
Yeah.
So funa ngenza sure ukuthi 5 years ngidlalela kude nesibhedlela lenzothola
Exactly. Ungathi mawulimele kancane hospitalized
Bese
for 2
sengiyaclaim.
days bese uyaclaima. Whereas
Which after 5 years ngithola malini?
10K.
10K. Okay.
It's a benefit economic hospital plan.
Yeah. Okay. So then what's the other plan? One?
It's a life cover.
Life cover. Then life cover now does the same principle still applies? Which you check background, lifestyle, education, na qualify for lifestyle.
Yeah, I'm saying the quotation we also ask the level of
Yes.
security
Qualification.
degree, 1 year diploma, matric, less than grade 11, give grade 9 and or honors. Saibu's level of education.
Manje, okay, I understand which business wise maybe they are looking at some point which a person maybe who's well educated can afford to live in a proper neighborhood, yabo.
Yeah.
Maybe a person who's less educated mhlambe sihlale elokishini. Maybe that's what
So avoid a risk of being
robbed,
stabbed.
being stabbed.
Yeah.
Not that they are making sense. Sihlala nabodokotela elokishini bomakhelwane nabodokotela bomakhelwane bethu mara they've got PhDs. So
Mara bodokter bayayinakekela.
oh, yithi esingazinakekeli.
Yes.
All right. So it's okay, study pass. So you bump with education.
Educational plan, retirement, hospital
hospital,
plan, my single life cover.
life cover. Then the fifth one,
It's funeral cover.
funeral cover. So good funeral cover, the same policy or procedure still applies, no con. You look at the same criteria.
No, funeral cover will look at your age and the relationship of that person on cover. Right?
Okay. So tell me, for abantu investor lump sums, what are your advices regarding ama risk? I know ukuthi there's no investment without risk, but has it ever happened ukuthi umuntu investe in lump sum then abe ne loss instead of a profit?
No, in our case, no. It's just that with you'll not make interest more than maybe last year, but you're never gonna get a loss. Because
which means
imali yakho izala annually depending on the escalation percentage. So angeke ukuthi ufake 500,000 uthole 500,000 or less than 500,000. There's no way.
okay, so speaking of interest rates, né?
Mm.
How do you come about determining interest rate? Do you use inflation or do you have your own bracket?
Inflation.
Inflation.
Mm.
So which means interest rate when they are not fixed.
Yeah, they are not fixed.
They depend on
The inflation.
for that year. Ukuthi ime kanjani.
Mm.
As you were saying, ukuthi interest rates, né? They are not fixed.
Yeah, they are not.
They solely depend on inflation for that year. Ukuthi CPI ikhuphuke kangakanani.
Yeah, ukuyiphi percentage. Then ama-interest azokhuphuka at that percentage. Yes.
But initially, when you make the initial investment, what's the starting percentage for an annual investment? Is it 2, 3, 5, 7, 6?
It's 6.5.
The starting investment percentage.
Yeah, it's 6.5.
It's not that bad.
Yeah, it's not.
But if I may ask, you don't do a compound investment. There's a compound engine. Nokuthi mangiqala uku-invest umelana ngo-8%. Then it's gonna be 8% throughout. Where the inflation yakhuphuka iya ku-11, mina ngithola u-8. Where the yehla iya ku-5, ngithola u-8. Mina ngisebenza inflation rate.
Sebenza nge-inflation rate. Which you can invest 300 for 5 years monthly. Izala annually. If annually inflation at 6.5, imali yakho izozala
If the following year it's 9.5. Okay.
Good luck.
Okay, I understand le yama interest rates, ne?
Yeah.
I understand like. But I coffee. You know.
It depends ukuthi umnotho ume njani eSouth Africa. Uma bheda vele izoyehla.
Kahle kahle balekela ukuba ne-loss.
Yeah, but then now ube ne-loss. Kube ne-loss.
Yona.
Now ube no-loss. There's no way invest imali uyithole njalo.
Okay. So up to so far, if portfolio okay wayihandlisha. Mhlambe imali eningi imali.
It was 3 million nakhona lo baba retired Transnet. So bengafuna ukuchubeka with the government side because angisho ngithi because there's this thing about 1/3 and 2/3. So when a client retires, uzothola 1/3 of the money. Yes, 2/3 is gonna be invested. So later 2/3 maybe if it's 2 million, uzoyihola each and every month. Then each and every year ikhuphuka ngo-5%. Yeah. Then layer 2 million injalo. That person uhola ama-interest.
Interest angithi ithatha njenge-cash flow. Money made from the investment.
Yeah.
He only gets the cash flow out of that initial investment.
Yes.
So then tell me this, because already pensionile maybe at age 65.
Yeah.
Already mortality rate ukuthi angacisha noma kunini seka lapho kuleyo group angithi. Then what does it do? Does he appoint a beneficiary just in case he passes on? Ukuthi if it happens ngiyandlula emhlabeni, you continue paying the interest to these individuals or you give them the lump sum?
Yeah, bengiseza lapho. Ukuthi sebenza kanjani. Angisho that person is gonna retire. Then i-2/3 uzoyi-invest maybe kuma-brokers, which is us, then ku-government. Because ku-government kunalento ukuthi when you pass away imali yakho gone. Noma uyihole 5 years, it's gone. It's just that monthly uthola more money on their side. But then to us, obviously uzo-nominate i-beneficiary. Ukuthi when you pass away, uSphiwe uzothola le 2 million. It depends kuwe Sphiwe ukuthi nawe ufuna ukuyihola or vele sikubona I blow it.
Okay, let me ask this one question. There's this thing abayibiza i-trust. Do you guys do trust?
Ama-trust fund? No.
We don't handle ama-trust fund. So which means it's just an individual portfolio with beneficiaries.
Yes.
In case he passes on.
Yes, shela ma-beneficiary lump sum.
Beneficiaries will be the ones who decide do they want to continue with the investment or do they want the entire amount?
Yeah, because kuba ngathi it's a generational thing. Siyahola ubaba bethu bekahola, nathi siyahola. Labantu bethu bayohola. If vele nhlaniphile, that's what you should do.
They will carry on handling that cash flow.
So it's 2 million nje ya generational if you can look at it.
It's not that much, but it's much.
Yeah, because nizoyihola a lifetime and it increases each and every year le mali eniyiholayo ngo 5%.
5%. Understandable. So it's 5% annually, not monthly.
Annually, each and every year. If bohola 3,000 izokhuphuka by 5%, the following year kanjalo kanjalo.
Okay, understandable. So, when according to when, what advice would you give to umuntu ofuna ukuqala investment for their kids? Ne? What do you think it's I don't want to say it's suitable, but a decent amount to start investing?
For their kids.
Yeah.
For their kids and for education.
Education,
It would depend on the age of the kid.
age of the kid.
Yeah,
Let's
but
say
if the
nje
kid
it's
is
at the age of
younger,
6 usaqala isikole.
yeah, that's a perfect age. You can start with 300 because Leo Malangishi you choose to increase with 6 or 10%.
Or educational plan you can choose.
Yeah.
I
Increase, I'm talking about the premium.
Or premium.
The premium you pay.
Okay.
It's not like you're gonna pay the 300 until till.
Oh, okay.
Because yeah, if you can pay the 300 until till, then it won't generate my interest.
No interest, yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, choose with 300 that coupon at 6% or 10. If it's 10
monthly or annually?
Annually. If it's 10, it's gonna be 380. So makamncane yabo iza kahle ikhuphuka. Yeah.
Should at some point you might be paying 1,000 over the years. This cut masses up. Okay. I understand. So you said educational plan, you only give the kid at 18 after he completes a matric, right?
Yeah, I'm sure. With determine. Obviously, umntwana uqeda isikole na 18. Yeah.
That's the required age.
Sekubeni nje.
So that is scholar, and if I'm still alive, it comes into my account. Yeah? If I'm not around, then it will go to the beneficiary's account.
Which is the kid.
Which is, yes, exactly. Not to auntie, not to mom.
No,
not to
the kid.
Yeah. Okay, then which means we spoke about retirement, medical, not medical, hospital. And then annuity, which is the Amalam Sama. Yes. We spoke of educational, what's the other one?
I'm sure there's the life cover and funeral cover. Life cover, it's from 150K till 5 million. So life cover, it's basically, there are two types. A term cover, so it covers you until more sevens, until maybe pelum sevens. Then you gotta get all your premiums back.
So how do you make sure or confirm ukuthi lo muntu ovule life cover yilo muntu ovule life cover? Because Rosemary basiphethe, ne? Rosemary basiphethe. So how do we ensure ukuthi lo muntu ovule life cover nge-ID yomuntu baku-agree?
No, I say I collect it because of Rosemary. More fully life cover, it's for you.
Not for somebody.
Yeah, you can't say daily life cover for my mom, yes, for my parents, no. You take a life cover for you, you make your parents beneficial.
When you're the principal.
Yeah, but not when you
okay. So because I've seen before back in the day, life cover and not undergo a medical tests.
Yeah, there is.
Check for any chronic illnesses. So lento leyo ayisebenza against wena uma ubanjwe i-heart attack, ukhuphukela i-high blood, ubanjwe i-diabetes, because we didn't do those checkups.
It does affect you. You see, I'm sure when you start with the life cover, obviously we're gonna ask you questions. Do you have diabetes? Like, do you have heart problems? If you say no, then that's a problem. Because
it never happens, Guti. Okay, but what if it happens, Guti?
At that time.
Yes.
Obviously, they're gonna do research before they pay. Or Guti, a clinic Tizen, you didn't take, or any doctor.
Have you ever taken a medication?
Yeah, because they research Guti. Anisha, when you go to the doctor, you give away your information. That information we use. So when you go to a doctor, they give you a medication, you had problem. So they're not gonna pay you because you lied. It means you committed fraud. So my advice is that it's better you take a medical test because you guaranteed you're gonna get your money. We tested you and
Anyway,
everything.
you are aware of everything.
You're on the safe side.
Okay.
So
Understood.
I'm a blood test number one. Guaranteed you're gonna get your 5 million.
So what's the minimum policy umuntu angayibhadala because baningi abantu bayaphila ne and ukufa kwetsonke akekho umuntu ongekayo but people act as if they are cats bana 7 lives kunabantu abanganawo ama-funeral cover. So what's your cheapest policy?
I'm sure it depends on the how many people you want to cover.
Let's just say for umuntu nje mhlawumbe umuntu nomkakhe one kid.
Abantwana, when they like below the age of 21, usually I'm a premium about it's 20 rand. For our immediate family, it's cheap. It can be 150 for our 20,000 covers. Then the problem starts when you add extended. Yeah, they are extended. So I'm a premium zwabo.
For principal members, ne?
So my parents now, but they can be cheaper depending on the age because wasn't gonna under my parents. So baba cheaper now. I'm the more expensive it's the extended. And I'm a waiting period about 6 months.
So the waiting period for a principal member is how many months? Let's just say for me, it's actually policy manje. How long?
3 months.
3 months.
Yet on our company, I don't know.
So
it's 6.
So which means the company in Mount Tata, funeral cover I must make sure it's within
3 months. Yeah, you can get the cover. But then if it's accidental death, then there's no waiting period. Yeah.
But you do my investigation to ensure it's accidental. What is name?
Yeah, before we pay value, we do my investigation. Before we pay, normal it was natural or accidental. We even investigate to this is my parent, so to call so mamncane, so to mama, because it's not your mother. Umamncane, so ukubhadala less uzomfaka kubomama. Instead of me getting my extended, we're not gonna pay you.
Understandable. All right. Do not forget to this episode was shot live at Justino Second eMuzi Lake. Don't forget, share around, ubona indawo nokudla oku-right nje kunezinto ezi-grind ningeza nibone nanokuthi kwenzakalani. Angithi yambona nawe lo sesusuthi manje ukhathela akasafuni next bo ngeza nawe uzo-check indawo ukuthi ime kanjani. Okay mama, awungitshele la umuntu oqalayo uku-invest, first time investor, who has never did any investing empilweni yakhe, who doesn't have any investing background actually. What's your advice or where do they go?
They must seek for information or they must go to my financial advisor so they can advise them better on how to invest, on the percentage of interest, how it works basically. Yeah, and so they can work over their budgets. They can do a needs analysis. How much you earn, this is how much you can afford for investment.
So ngokucabanga kwakho umuntu who's reading books about investments and so forth, yeah? Do you think they can make proper investing decisions on their own?
No.
Give or take.
No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's different method used, different companies. Yeah, it depends on what you want.
Okay, so shooting nje mina Siphiwe mangifuna uqala uku-invest. The first thing I should do is to try to find a financial advisor.
Yeah.
Somebody who understands the market.
Yes.
Somebody who understands ukuthi ku market what's selling. Ne?
Yeah, also advise based on your goals also. Which financial goals you wanna
achieve.
Yes. So also advise based on that, so you can make a better decision. Kuma investments
Investment.
Yeah, how do you wanna go about?
So Ogunye, what do you think are common mistakes new investors make, and ucabanga ukuthi bangawa-avoid kanjani?
I think a person should decide yes, I want to invest, and then I stick to that. Each and every time when we deduct, we find the money. People mustn't cancel their investments before they mature, so they can see how much interest they made. Because when you take money before time, you won't see any interest. Yeah. So kuba ngathi uyarojwa. Kanti uthatha imali before ingakamature, ingakavuthwa.
So imali mawuyithatha early, are the areas, maybe is it taxed or what's happening?
Investment is tax free.
Tax free.
Yeah, retirement by
tax. So investment, as much as it is tax free, does that mean no ngayithatha early, there are no penalties?
There are penalties.
No penalties.
When I invested for 5 years, now you're taking money in the 3 years. So they're gonna charge you 300 for taking money before time, but then you're gonna get the money invested and the interest at that time. It's not gonna be interest for 5 years. It's gonna be interest for 3 years. I'm sure you took the money for 3 years.
I understand.
Yeah.
Okay. So, in order to avoid all of that, umuntu if you decide ukuba ne-investment, funa commit. Okay, is it possible or has it ever occurred ukuthi ni debit imali umuntu ayi-reverse?
Yeah, it has.
It happens.
Yeah, it happens. They do reverse.
Then abuye next month abhadale double.
Yeah.
So if wenza kanjalo, ama-interest affecteka because they are annually or they do not get affected?
No, they don't get affected.
As long as the mali efuna uyifake per year,
annually, it's there.
Then you get your percentage.
Yeah. Sometimes maybe it happens to this month you have a problem, but then next month you can pay double. It's fine. So you make his account number, you go and pay.
Okay, understandable. Fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough. So, growing your portfolio as an investor. Yeah. Let's say ngiyaqala manje portfolio, ne?
Yeah.
Mhlambe I decide 500 per month, ne? But ngiyabona ukuthi the 500 isn't making much of a profit or a cash flow or interest as they call it, ne?
Yeah.
Can I add on my portfolio, have another portfolio aside, or funa add kuyo yona le engiyiqalile? Can you have multiple portfolios or you can have a single portfolio? Yeah,
you can have multiple investment.
Is it?
Yeah, if you want to add, you can add also. But you can have multiple.
Multiples. So tell me this, when do you have a success story of an investment, let's say, somebody who came and invest for a certain number of years? Tell us about that. Do you have a good story? My phone story type. Do you have a story? Investor, then everything went kudos.
Yeah, there are a lot of people who do invest. Some don't take their money. I'm sure there's this thing called a partial surrender.
What's that?
It can take part of maybe let's say something happens. Instead of maybe going out and applying for my loans, you can come to our office and ask for a partial surrender. So it means you're taking part of the money and the investment. Yeah, so usually if you don't take your partial surrender or anything like that, in maturity, it's gonna be good money and you're gonna be happy. Then if you took a partial surrender, yeah, forgetting that you took 10,000
on that investment.
So kuba ne partial surrender ku investment yakho ukuthi ungazi uyothatha loan 50,000, but then you can take money from your investment. Guys, ngicela partial surrender 50,000. Ninkinga thizeni.
Ufuna ukuyilungisa, so ucazwana nje, ucazwana.
Not all the money, but parts
of it.
Yeah, that's why it's called partial.
Partial, yeah.
Yeah, so you're taking part of the money. instead of applying for ama loans and paying for like 3 years loan. Thatha imali ku-investment yakho yabo. So if uyabona ukuthi njengoba uthatha imali izokuzalela kancane, you add ma-premiums. Yes.
Okay. So looking at the current market trends, indlela inflation ehamba ngayo, izinto ezenzeka ngayo, food is expensive, petrol increase and so forth. So what can you advise someone who wants to invest at this current time? Is it a good time to invest because izinto ziyakhuphuka, or people should wait? When is the right time to start investing? Investor kakhulu i-market mayingathi violent, ngathi izinto ziyadura, or should you wait izinto ngathi ziyahlanyana kancane bese invest?
Usually, I feel like it depends on the person, but you should know ukuthi if izinto ziyabheda, inflation nayo iyabheda that year. But then usually asiyenze ama 1 year investment. So we do ama 5 years investment from 5 till 15. So if you're better this year, next year it can be better. So you can earn more interest. So that's why you need to will be a loss. But then you should know that maybe that year not better ngakhona. Ama interest
azoba low.
Yes.
So the good thing engiyizwile kule nkulumo yakho regarding ama investment ukuthi uthi wena akwenzeki ufake u3000 kuphela unyaka u3000. Kunoqezwana, it can be 1.5%, but you're gonna get something out of that 3000.
There's no loss. Uzothola inflation might 6. Uzothola 6% of that money ufake.
Regardless ukuthi market violent kanjani, as long as the inflation is decided.
Yeah. So imali yakho izokhuphuka with that percentage.
So how can someone with significant debt, umuntu oqila eyikweletini, approach investing? Should they settle their debts first? Because you know, if umuntu uthatha home loan, that's 20 years of debt, right?
Yeah.
So funa linde qala qede lesikwelede sakhe, or they can still start investing a smaller portion of what they have left after paying their debts.
No, that's where we do ama needs analysis. It doesn't mean good to say quality you mustn't have investment. As long as you're paying ama debt wako, your credit score is good. It's just that you're quality, but then you're paying each and every month. The premium about you that's where you do ama needs analysis. Good see. On your house, this is how much you pay
for your car.
Entertainment. So you must start as low as possible.
As low as possible.
Yeah, must start with the minimum.
So skwelede or no skwelede, umuntu ufuna bene investment. That's what you are saying.
But as long as your credit score, it's good.
That's good.
Because you can be declined, but will red flag due to what you're a bad payer.
So if you're a bad payer, you're not allowed to invest.
They decline it.
Is it?
Under red flag.
Shooting another investment into 2 minutes.
I'll invest. They just tell you the client you're on red.
So I can invest. So which means umuntu nje oqwele kakhulu eyikweletini.
Blacklist.
Blacklist. Wenza investment kunzimanyana because nani niyasaba ukumthinta.
Yeah, you're a bad payer. Because you can take investment ungayibhadali.
Into engisho ukuthi angeke azicommit.
Yeah, singatholi imali and all that admin charges, it charges us as a company. You issue a case on its own, it's money. So we're not gonna take you available because it's not just when Fagmaliak or sends a favor. There are a lot of admins behind it, which requires money. So if you're a bad payer, they decline you. Then.
So Chelamin, I used to have a friend, similar environment. What they did is, at time nganami yabo ngoba this month anginama client yabo. Unike le bank account yakho lo ungafaki kuyimali. Ngikuregister ngibe ne client. Bona mabathi bayadebit izobounce ngoba phela ayinamali. Shuthi kuyo yonke leyo process you guys are losing money makwenzeka kanjalo.
Yeah, phela we pay my bank for debits. That case to be issued, it's money. Now, if we don't get money, you take something and you don't pay it. It's bad for you for your credit record.
So, which means lama favors wenzela abangani bethu bama financial advice as affect. Because vele akuthi ayisebenzi le bank account ikhona. Athi anginike standard bank awuyisebenzisi mos awunami ngiyaqalisa.
Yeah, but ID number yakho sinayo.
ngithi ngithatha i-funeral cover lapha, ngithatha educational plan yabo, siyagcwalisa 300 manje 300, at least now una 2 yama-cases azowa-provider ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi uyasebenza ngithi. But that comes back to bite who? Me.
Even him also, even you, even the company.
But yena imbhayitha kanjani, because the company will not know ukuthi siyayiscama phela.
The company won't get money. And if when a client like you don't pay, your name affect umkholweni wakhe.
Is it? So you work on commercial basis?
Yes.
Okay.
So if ngiyakujoinisa and you don't pay, that's a lapse. You have to find someone also
Cover the
cover
space.
with. So yabo, it's pointless taking someone ongekabhadali or because it's gonna affect you and that person and the company.
No, that's something new, but I didn't know. Ngithi ngiyakutshela besenza ama-favor. That's nomunye wenye company athi hawoza mngani, ngithi vele ayisebenzi, ngiyagcwalisa la ngasala bank account ayisebenzi. Sengibona ngama-SMS nje sebathi dear client, ngithi yabakahle
Policy lapse.
anginapolice dala bantu ngenzela umngani wami i-favor.
Ama-records when you become as a bad payer.
Is it? So it affects the credit score yami.
Yeah, it affects you.
A little goes a long way, so they say. So sengiyabona. But then encane yenzayo ongayinaki,
it affects you.
It affects you, ne? Whether directly or indirectly, it doesn't matter.
Somehow you're gonna get affected.
No. I understand that. Kahle. So tell me for abantu who are currently watching, ne?
Yeah.
Who are puzzled by this interview and who would like to contact you for referencing mhlambe or for my inquiries or for investing or for policies, bakuthola kanjani?
You can get me on my WhatsApp, on Facebook, Nokuthula Pembe, on TikTok, it's Nokuthula Pembe, on Instagram, it's Nokuthula Pembe.
Same name everywhere.
Everywhere.
No, you are not a scam, at least you are legit, yabo. So senzile-ke nani-ke ngithi lapha ekhaya usivakashise ethu uNokuthula Pembe. Uthi utholakala kuphi? Facebook. Ama-WhatsApp number angeke sininikeze bafowethu, ningaze nihluphe ningazeli ukuhlangana nepolice. Ngakho-ke umfuna ku-Facebook, umfuna ku-TikTok or anywhere else, uNokuthula Pembe. Uzohlangana naye-ke, umtshela inkinga yakho, bese yena wenzani? Uyakucenga, kuyakuhlela kahle akubona ukuthi hayi kukufanele yini ukuthi investe, kufanele i-funeral cover, awufuni ukuba uRosemary Ndlovu ngoba baziba bogatsheni, bogatsheni sisindlovu bogatsheni basaba kapha bogatsheni, basaba kahle yadlala njalo. Ningakhohlwa-ke the Equitable Podcast on YouTube, the Equitable Podcast on Spotify. By the way, we are on Spotify. Sicela siyengale no-check ama-numbers angithi. And for ama-shorts nama-clips, umongameli wethu nomjola on TikTok. From your host, Usiphiwe Maduma, and our guest, uNokuthula Pembe. Thank you so much for watching this episode. Episode 3 is following soon. Thank you so much. Mama, thank you for coming to the show. Ne?
Thank you for having me.
Sibonga ukuzicommit ukuzositshela ukuthi wena uthi kithi angesi invest nenkampani yakho masinganayo i-degree mama. Usho njalo ngithi utheni? Uthi wena mina mangena degree I pay high. Umuntu we-degree ubhadala low ngoba according to wena uyakwazi ukuziphatha yabo. Yena kaphuza i-black, uphuza i-strophet ngoba une-degree yabo.
Life cover, it's your life. That's why it's a life cover. So it depends on how you live. And all that.
No, sengizwile. Muna ku-degree. Sambe nizofuna ama-degree bafowethu sizobhadala lese kuma-premium yethu angithi. Ningakhohlwa episode real life Justinos Secunda. Ngakhohlwa ukufika-ke bane-special, weekly special by the way. Niyasibona-ke nani bafowethu. Ngakhohlwa ukufika nizodla nishaye into eyiphuzwayo angithi. Thank you so much for watching. Same time, same place, different day. Like, subscribe and share. Tako.